Hello, Job Viewer here, and today's little adventure is this here. You see that? Ooh, how about this way? You can see there, can't you? Look at that, you can see the future. Now, so this is a peephole, or a door viewer, and this one here is actually what they call 200 degrees. So it's a little bit bigger, beefier looking than your normal ones, like this one up in here, right? You can still look through, but you don't get as much of a view outside. You don't get enough, well, you get enough good of view for this door, but the thing here is, let's say if you have someone who's like, not like this, right, but more like this here, right? Then you can install another viewer. There's not really a limit to how many you can put in a door, although there probably could be. And so we're going to install this thing. It's pretty quick and easy. And what can I say about it? I don't know. Step one. Step one, you kind of measure how high you need it. Now, like I said, this one's going to be for shorter people to look through, right? And so maybe if people had kids, you might want to put one lower for the kids to look through. Make sure there's no stranger danger out there. And so we already have here 3 holes in this door. We've got the view up there, we've got a hole there, hole down there, and then one at the bottom. Now the 2 in the middle is going to be for like what a door knocker on the other side, but the one on the bottom we're going to work with. And the thing is that to start this off, what you normally do is do an 1/8 inch hole. You'll mark it where you want it. Do an 1/8 inch hole through the door, bzzz, all the way through, and that way you know where it's at. Then you switch off your 1/8 inch drill bit and you move to this one here. Well, gigantic. Look at the size of that thing. And this one here is a 5/8. Now, not all of them need this, but certain ones do, which is this one. So, just go for the hole here in the middle and bore away. Making sure you have your safety goggles on first, of course. That means we did it. Now, as you can see there, you got some jagged piece of metal. Don't be touching that with your hands. Use a plier or something here. So we have a bag of tricks here. Here we go. Maybe I'll remember this from the plumbing videos, but this guy here is probably the right size we need for the job. Little T-Rex, right? So, we'll get up here, all blurry like so no one can see anything. And back it off a little so maybe you can see something. Alright, get it, T-Rex. There. And just kind of toss that aside. Not where anyone's going to step on or nothing. And there's probably a little bit more there, but that's fine. Now then, trick here is that you bore through one half the door, then you actually open it, and you'll bore through the other half, the other side I should say. So, up in here, we got the other side of the door, and there's holes right there. As you can see, we already kind of bored through it. Helps you have like a sharp one of these. All right, get like so. There. This works good for wood or metal doors. Alright. Now then, we got that there done. And yeah. Just for good measure now, we'll bore through. There we go. There. Now, we're ready to people. You can see right through it. But not really. So, we got that there done. Then, back on the door viewer. That was door viewer people. Anyways, so you got this thing here, right? A little magic trick here. This you basically unscrew. Like so, right? And 5 hours later, this will be done. Oh. There. Now then. This one here has no kind of a gasket or nothing, so I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of the silicone in there. Some silicone caulking, right? You got this here. You got this here. And you simply squirt it in. Alright, and squeeze it. And then bring it back because maybe you need to reload this thing or let's see here. Yeah. Yeah, this is never good. Yeah. Whew. Alright, so you get this here and you get this here. And you bring the action here. Clean it out, right? There. So that should be done now. Clean up the little dipstick. And reload your gun. Oh, hope that didn't make too much noise. Alright, here we go again. Dun, dun. Alright, now this right here is going to make a little gasket to keep any kind of bugs or hopefully water from leaking in the hole. There, right, lovely, like that. Okay, put this gun somewhere so it won't drip all your nice furnishings or wherever you're at. And then we just simply go from the outside again. Can't go to the door. Alright. So right there. Do a little bit of the clean off here. This here's a little bit bowed out, so we'll do a little bit of the a little more T-Rex, right? Only this second. Like that. Get in here. Clean that burr off. So just for that. Alright. And even better. Tools. Right, who said it can't be a hammer? Then we slip in the big piece from outside through the hole. And before we do that though, do a little hammer on the back side here. There, we got it. So there's a hole there. Back piece, right? The thread at the front, thing at the back, goes in the other way. and they meet in the middle in the door, and you simply screw them together. Smudge this around. Yeah. Let's see here. So that's in there. This part's right here. And what you can use for this right here, there could be a special huge scraper you can use. What I'm going to use is the side of the scraper, like so. Actually, I'm going to get my hand first. Maybe it's a little tough, I'll use a scraper. Either like that or like this. Right to the hand. A little bit of this section. And alright, back to this. You know what we need here? We need 2 hands. So, see how it works in the back? See how it works in the front? Right. Put some 2 hands on this action. And that's working real smooth. Alright. Okay, so it's almost there, and I think you just want to snug it up real good. You don't want it too tight. You don't want to try to break your door or break your view hole here. And I think we are there. So now clean around it some. Alright, one more turn here. There, tight, and do some of this here for the caulking. Alright. And that's pretty much it then, see? Got the viewer, and now you can come. And if you're one of those people that are like vertically challenged, and take a look right through there. What do you see? Yes, the features, pretty blurry. Anyway, so there you go. Door viewer. And now we got 2 of them here. We got one for the tall people, one for the short people. And yeah, not so bad of a job, right? Let me know what you think in the comments. Odd job doer. And thanks for watching.